How to change delivery address on Zara order. Before we begin, it's important to know you can only change your delivery address if your order hasn't been prepared for shipping yet. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Zara app and make sure you are logged in into your account. Now, tap onto the profile and go to My Purchase or Order option. And from here, find the order you want to update. If your order is still editable, you will see an option to edit address or change delivery information under the order section. Tap it, enter your new address and save change. That's it. If there is no option to edit your address, you will need to contact Zara customer service right away. And if the order has already shipped, your best option may be to redirect the package through the courier service. Check your shipping email for tracking details and redirect option. That's how you change the delivery address on your Zara order. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.